Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
In the struggle, I salute you all our able-bodied men, our men on ground. I salute you all, especially members and supporters of BNL from around the borders, from the border of Obanliku down to Bgrie and to Mbo local government area of Akwa Ibom State. I remind my humble self, Prince Richard. Yes, I've decided to comment on the report yesterday. The report that we are receiving that has troubled me and as well as every other person. I'm wondering what actually transpired, because I have heard from some of our members out there to know what actually happened. It's quite unfortunate how some people go about looking for trouble where somebody did not did not be mentioned anywhere. We're not having problem with Tumbolo. We're not having problem with our Ijaw brethren. So I don't really understand the reason for their actions. Sometime last year, I came up here to make a video that we were invited by Tumpolo. We were among the groups invited for a meeting with him in Warri. So we were first to notice that he was recruiting. He was looking for groups to recruit for a pipeline job. So we were invited, and I came up here. I made it public, and I said we are not going to be part of that meeting, and we were not part of that meeting. They came to our self-defense volunteers, the Black Marine. They did not attend. The general did not attend. He banned his friend from attending. And none of our members attended, but one person among them who happens to be a third commander, sneaked out and made the Bolo in Warri. So when they found out he has gone to meet Topolo, he was suspended. That about last year, and he was suspended. So from there, Topolo bought him, and I think asked him to be in charge of squads within our territory, from Akwa Ibom to the peninsula there. So ever since then, they have been trying to immobilize. He coordinated his Ijaw kinsmen because he's from Ijaw, he's from Bayelsa. He's from Bayelsa, but the mother is from Bakassi. So trying to use that influence and establish a squad for Topolo within our territory, area of operation. He has attempted 2 times, or they have attempted 2 times to have a base in our region. 2 times that our boys went to flush them out from the creek, and they ran upwards towards Akwa Ibom. So like they have been hiding somewhere there and decided to come in to make trouble yesterday. And because he knows the person who led them, because he knows all the nooks and crannies, so he led them to the Black Marine barrack at Uyene in Umbo local government area. He led them there. But fortunately for them, 2 of them were shot. Because they actually came to, or went to steal boats. They actually went to steal boats and other materials. And they didn't know that there are still some boys guarding that particular place. They were not on ground. They were sitting on top of the tree, smoking. And of course, our people over there are very gallant. Even if they are in toilets, you hold your material in case of anything. Bakassi is not a place where nobody is at alert. Everybody is at alert. Everybody is always at alert in Bakassi. Even a small pikin in Peninsula there, always move with gun. A small boy, he move with gun. Everybody that alert for Bakassi. Unless your journey just come, you don't know what to do. So they entered there thinking nobody was there. And before you know, our boys shot them, jumped down. They picked race. I think bullets caught 2 of them. They ran and they jumped and entered their boat, and they came with according to what I was told, they came with 1 boat to steal another boat. Maybe it's a boat they snatched somewhere, but they came to steal because the stupid guy that brought them knows where those things are. So they came in there. They were defeated. They were chased out. They did not succeed. So he came with his kinsmen. All of them were a joy because he came over there. Our boys have intercepted them before. They are all Ijos. And I want to sound it as a serious warning that we will not allow any group, especially if you are not working for the interests of freedom of our people. If you are not with us, you cannot have a base in our area of influence. You cannot have a base if you are not with us. Because if they are allowed, and they get matured, there will be a big problem to our activities. They are working with Topolo. Topolo is working for the government. Next thing, they will lead the Nigerian military. Come and start attacking our members, our supporters within that area. So in order to avoid any such thing, we said that we are not going to allow them to establish any base, whether in Bakassi or within or outside Bakassi. Whether in Bakassi or outside Bakassi, areas close to Bakassi. So we have our boys have today ransacked all the forests, all the creeks, if anyone is caught, if they are caught, I think sorry will be their name. Our boys have done an operation today to ransack all the forests, all the creeks. If they are hiding there, somewhere there, they will be flushed out. They'll be flushed out. But I believe they ran very far. They came from far. So I don't know what they want, because even the pipeline security or whatever, those that are there are all Ijaws. So Polo recruited mainly his kinsmen, made them commanders, and he cannot work. You can't generalize them, come and control other areas that are not your kinsmen. They don't speak your language. You bring your kinsmen to come there, and that means you are claiming to be superior. You are imposing your kinsmen on that territory, on another tribe, to come and start controlling them. That's disrespect. That's disrespect. The people they attack are mainly from Ekpa. They are mainly from Ekpa. Those boys in Atumbo, they are mainly from Ekpa. And you want to go there and take their property that you are working for to pull. It will not work. It's not going to work. And our Ijaw brothers have to stop this attitude of trying to overshadow everything, everybody. They have to stop it. That will not help them, brother. It will not help them. We have not made any comment against them or do anything against them. So if they are not interested in our struggle, they should mind their business. Other people are interested. Many other people in South are very much interested. And nobody should speak on their behalf. If you are talking, talk for yourself there, in your own state or village. Don't come and say Ekpa Ibom is not part of what you are doing. Cross River, and you are an Ijaw man, saying that Cross River is not part of what you are doing. River State or Ikore is not part of what you are doing. And you are an Ijaw man, speaking for all these people. It's unheard of. It's unheard of. So we are not going to. They are not a threat. They are not a threat. They can't be a threat. Is it more than what our boys are facing in the hands of the real soldiers? So just ordinary pirates. Ordinary pirates. They are not a threat. So let it be a warning that if they think, or if they are still coming back to our territory, they are still coming back, that they should know that they should sign their death warrant, because they won't go back alive. They will not go back alive. So that is the truth. I don't think I have much to say. Share this video if you have Topolo's handle, Twitter or Facebook. Let it get to him that his boys have turned pirates, terrorizing our waterways, and we're not going to take that. We're not going to tolerate that. We should call them to order. We should call them to order before they bring their corpse to him. So I'll said my own, and I'll let those who have ear hear. The Spirit has spoken. So thank you very much.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.